My name is Angelica Maria Gordillo Salazar. I'm 24 years old. I live in Free Union. I am a respectful, honest, and cheerful person. I live in Fusagasugá. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. That you want to order? You have lunches. Of course, if it offers regular lunches or a la carte. That he offers me in the lunch a la carte. I offer you costillitas barbecue, churrasco, grilled breads, mojarra and sauce. Can you bring me a stack, please? And of taking that you want, I offer you soft drink of natural lemonade. A lemonade and thank you very much. Give me a moment and I drink your order. Thank you.